Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade using lime. First, select ripe, juicy limes. You will need about 6 to 8 medium limes for a standard pitcher, yielding roughly 1 cup of fresh lime juice. Next, measure out your sugar and water. A good starting ratio is 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water for the simple syrup, which ensures the sugar dissolves completely for a smooth drink. To make your simple syrup, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Do not boil. While the syrup cools, prepare your limes. Rolling them firmly on a counter before cutting them in half will help extract maximum juice. Once your simple syrup has cooled, combine it with 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice in a large pitcher. Now, gradually add about 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything together thoroughly. It is important to taste your lemonade at this stage. You can add more water for a less intense flavor, or a little more simple syrup if you prefer it sweeter. For the best experience, serve your homemade lime lemonade chilled over plenty of ice. Garnish with fresh lime slices or a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance and aroma. This refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion. Any leftover lemonade can be stored in a sealed pitcher in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.